Hi, this is Kevin Davey with another 2-minute trading tip. Today's trading tip is have enough trades for every optimized parameter you use. This is when you're doing a back test. You want to make sure that you have enough trades to actually mean something. So if you have one parameter, having 1, 2, 5 trades just isn't enough. A lot of people think that just because a back test looks good, that's good enough. No, you need a lot of trades. The more the better. A good rule of thumb, use 30 to 50 trades per optimized parameter. So if you had 4 parameters that you were optimizing in your back test, you want to have 120, 200 trades or more. Ideally a lot more. The more the better. It's less chance of curve fitting, less chance of over optimizing when you have a lot of trades per parameter. I went back and looked at my own trading and systems I've developed over the years, and my median value for trades per parameter is 87. So that means if I have 4 parameters, I have around at least 350 trades on average, sometimes a whole lot more. But you want a lot of trades for every optimized parameter. Well, that's it. It's pretty simple, yet very powerful. Make sure you have enough trades for every parameter that you're optimizing. If you don't, you're really going to run the risk of over-optimizing, curve fitting, and all those bad things. So thanks for watching, and tune in the next time for the next 2-minute tip.